Okay, this problem has some triangles that we have to kind of sort out. The two triangles that we're going to start with are the right triangles that connect A to C, and the right triangle that has A to B as their hypotenuse. So those I'm going to draw down here, and here's the triangle that's probably easiest to see on the diagram. If this point is A and this point is C, this side is 2, 4, 3, 0, right, and this side is little b. And this angle is 39 degrees. And based off SOHCAHTOA, we have the opposite side and we have the hypotenuse, so we're going to use sine of 39 degrees. We set that equal to its opposite side, which would be the 2, 4, 3, 0, and we divide that by b. And b, once we can find b, little b and little c, then we have a triangle that we can use in the law of cosines. So if we multiply both sides by b and then divide by sine of 39, we end up with b equals 2, 4, 3, 0. Divided by sine of 39 degrees, not radians. Right, we find that little b is equal to 3861, and we'll call that feet. Right, and that makes sense, right? It's got to be the longest side. We're also going to do another right triangle using points A and B as our hypotenuse. So if this is point A and this is capital B, this would be little c. This angle here would be 42 degrees, and this would now be 2, 4, 3, 0. That's the shared side. And again, here we have the opposite side is 2, 4, 3, 0. The hypotenuse is little c, so we're going to again use sine. We set sine of 42 equal to 2, 4, 3, 0. We're going to divide by little c. Again, we multiply by little c and divide by sine of 42. We end up with this expression. They basically exchange places. Sine 42 goes down here. And so from there we get little c is equal to 3631. Okay. So now we're looking at a triangle that's kind of like the front face. If we put the vertex up here, little b down here, big C down here, we're given that this angle here is 68 degrees, where we know that little b was 3861 and little c was 3631. And we're looking for this side A. That's the distance that separates the landmarks. And so the law of cosines has the form a squared equals, it kind of starts like Pythagorean theorem, right? B squared plus C squared. But then we have this term that corrects it. It's minus 2 little b times little c times the cosine of angle A. Right, and that's for this particular triangle. Obviously, there's a couple different angles that could be considered angle A overall in this problem, but you're looking at just one specific triangle. When we solve this all out, we're going to put little b equals 3861 in here, and then little c equals 3631 would be there and there, right? I went ahead and did all the calculations, right? I found that A is 4194 feet. And that's how far your landmarks are separated by.